Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pitch 3 completely different design directions to your client without doing 3 times the work. Because let's be honest, when a client says, can we see a few options? What they're really saying is triple your workload for free. And you can't say no because options win pitches. But you also can't burn 20 hours on a prospect who might ghost you next week. My name is Moritz. I've spent most of my life building software, first as a product manager, now as a founder. Today I'm building Composo, helping over 100K users design and build software faster. So here's what we're going to do. I'll show you how to take one solid design, generate 3 completely different style variations from it, and share the whole thing with the client in a single link so they can view it on any device and get back to you fast. And this whole process will only take about 10 minutes. Sounds good? Then let's jump in. All right, now let me show you exactly how this works. So let's say we're pitching a B2B SaaS product, a project management and team collaboration tool. First, let me go to Dribbble and I'm going to find a dashboard design that fits what we need. Something clean, professional, that already has the core structure we're looking for. Let's search for, let's say, SaaS dashboard or project management dashboard. I'll just scroll through the results a bit. Okay, let me pick this one. Now I'm going to bring this into Composo. I can either upload the image or I can just paste the Dribbble link directly. For this video, let's just upload the image here. Give it a few seconds to analyze the design. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to create our first variation. I'm going to use Composo's editing capabilities to transform this into something that would appeal to enterprise clients, IT managers, CFOs, people who value stability and proven reliability. So here's my prompt to Composo. Make this more conservative and corporate. Navy blue and gray color scheme, serif headings for authority, increased white space for clarity, subtle shadows on cards, professional data, visualization style, muted chart colors. Okay, now watch what happens. Look at this, same dashboard structure, same metrics, same layout, same data sections, but now it feels completely different. We've got a light background that's easy to read. The metric cards have subtle shadows and the bar chart uses calm, muted colors. And the revenue graph is clean and minimal. It might not look that good to you yet, but this is perfect for selling to finance teams or enterprise clients who need to feel confident in their tools. All right, back to our base design. I'm going to create a second variation now. This time I want to appeal to a completely different audience, startup founders, product teams, basically people who value speed and modern tooling. Think companies like Notion, Linear, Vercel. So that's a vibe that we're going for. So here's my prompt in Composo. Transform this into a modern 2025 SaaS aesthetic. Vibrant gradient from purple to electric blue, clean geometric sans serif throughout, tighter spacing for efficiency, glowing elements on key metrics, colorful data visualizations with gradients, smooth rounded corners. Okay. And look at this transformation. Same exact structure, but we've got a dark background that feels premium and modern. The revenue chart got this vibrant green line that almost glows against the dark background. And this actually feels like software built for 2025 or 2026 rather, modern, bold, and confident. Okay, for this third direction, I want to create something that genuinely stands out. This is for clients who are okay taking creative risks, clients who want their dashboard to get shared on Product Hunt or Design Twitter. So for this, here's my prompt. Make this bold and disruptive, dark mode with high contrast, neon accent colors. Think cyan and hot pink for key metrics, large impactful typography for numbers, asymmetric card layouts, edgy data visualization styles, brutalist influences with sharp edges. Okay, let's see what Composo does with this. Okay, this does look a bit wilder. Look at this transformation. So we've gone full terminal mode here. The Typography looks like a monospace code font, and look at all these metric cards. They've got these bright neon accent colors. The bar chart and productivity chart also fit very well in it. Honestly, this is perfect for developer tools like crypto platforms maybe, or any company that wants to stand out with a bold technical aesthetic. And it can just provide a bit of contrast to the other two directions. Okay, so that's it. You have 3 completely different design directions, not in 60 hours, not even 6 hours, just 6 minutes. So pretty impressive, right? Now let me show you one additional feature that's really cool and that I really like to use. Composo has this variations feature, which lets you generate multiple style options based on your design. And this is incredible when you want to explore possibilities you hadn't even considered. So it expands your creative direction really. So let me click on this screen here, and then you can click on this variations button. And here you can select the design mode, the variation type, custom range, and the number of options you want to generate. It's great for a quick exploration, but custom prompts give you precise control over the strategic positioning of each direction. And here's the best part: whether you use the variation feature or just write custom prompts like we did, you can still change individual elements inside of the screen afterwards. Say the client loves the modern SaaS direction, but wants the sidebar on the right, then you can just go in, select the edit button, and you can just do a global edit or a section edit and change any specific part of the design, also just in seconds. So it's flexible without being time consuming, and you're in control of every single detail. If you want to see the complete editing workflow, I'll link the full Composo tutorial in the description and on the end screen. All right, now where this gets really powerful for agencies is the sharing feature. So once you've created your 3 dashboard variations, you can generate a shareable link right here for each one of them. Just click share, and Composo gives you a live URL that works on any device, and that you can then send to your client directly. So instead of sending static screenshots or PDFs, you can then send the client these 3 basically interactive links, and it makes you look really incredibly professional. The client sees these fully realized dashboard designs and thinks you have the whole design team behind you that did this. But it was just you. They also don't know that it only took you 10 minutes, right? Okay, and then they can basically pick a direction. Composo lets you then export these clean HTML and CSS code of these screens, or even as a Figma file, so you can keep making these little tweaks. And this lets you go from pitch to development in literally 1 click. No need to rebuild anything, no need to start over. You have exactly the code there that you need, and you can use that to build. All right, that's it for today, guys. If you want to try this workflow yourself, the link is in the description below. It's composo.ai. And seriously, if you're pitching clients regularly, this will change how you work. Now, if you found this helpful, do subscribe, because I'm breaking down more agency workflows like this every week, not just for agencies, also for other product teams, stuff that actually saves you time and wins you more projects. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.